constantly pushing the envelope.
All different parts of the capital structure, capital quickly.
It's been a few exciting days in financial markets with the Fed meeting, the Barbie movie, and Japanese yield curve control, and all this has had an impact on how we're thinking about the economic outlook. The Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 25 basis points, and they clearly communicated that going forward, they will be looking at the incoming data. We'll still have 2 employment reports, 2 inflation prints before the September FOMC meeting. I think we have reached the peak in the Fed funds rate. Obviously, inflation is still at a very elevated level. It is coming down, but we still have the situation where the Federal Reserve needs to keep interest rates high, at least until the end of this year. With the Fed raising interest rates, a lot of attention is being paid to credit card data. And one interesting development is that we've actually seen a spike higher in consumption on entertainment, likely driven by the Barbie movie and the Oppenheimer movies that have, of course, been getting a lot of attention. There continues to be upside pressure to the long end of the yield curve, where 10-year government bonds in the US have started to move higher again. On top of that comes recent developments in Japan, where the BOJ has now been talking about abandoning yield curve control, meaning that they are willing to allow Japanese interest rates to move higher. And that is likely to also begin to exert some upward pressure on US interest rates.